Today I'll show you how to decorate your porch with only $1 Christmas bell decorations. Welcome to the Chic Show. This is day 4 of the 12 Days of Christmas hosted by Rustic and Lace DIY and Krista's Crafty Life. Creating beautiful Christmas bell decorations doesn't have to break the bank. In fact, with just a few simple materials, you can create a stunning display that'll get you in the holiday spirit. These 2 bells are from Dollar Tree, and this is one of IOD's etiquette transfers. They are gold foiled and they're beautiful. I took the bells outside and I gave them 2 coats of black spray paint. Now I'm using the rub-on tool and I'm rubbing on this transfer onto the front of the bell. I'm using the backing paper just to kind of burnish that down onto the bell to make sure everything's sticking nicely, and then I'll go back and I will work on the second one. For this one, I'm piecing together some pieces of the etiquette's transfer to make it a little bit more of the same size as the other bell. I thrifted these little curtain rings. They're plastic, but I thought they would be perfect for the top of these bells. So I just added some hot glue and stuck it down into that hole, and I'm just wrapping around some jute twine and gluing along the way with a little bit more hot glue. Now this is a bell I got on clearance at Walmart after Christmas last year. I took it outside and I gave it a combination of both of these gold spray paints, and I left it as it was. I strung these together with a piece of Dollar Tree rope and added a little bit of greenery, and I think these are perfect for outdoors. You do definitely want to seal in those transfers, and I would not let this actually hang out in the weather. I would keep it up under the porch. Hope you've enjoyed this short Christmas craft for your Christmas decorations. Don't forget to check out the playlist in the description box below. I'll leave you another video right here that I think you might like. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to share the chic. Bye now.